Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we are going to make the cucumber and ginger mojito. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Rum, I have here Bacardi, ginger beer, fresh mint leaves, a lime, and a cucumber. It's tool time. Let's go grab ice, a shaker, a highball glass, a muddler, a jigger, knife, a bottle opener, and a bar spoon.
First step, cut half a lime in quarters. Now take your lime and squeeze it into the shaker. From here, cut your cucumber in half the long way. Use your bar spoon to scoop out the cucumber. After you scooped out the cucumber, you're going to cut your cucumber in half and we'll set aside for garnish. Let's grab your mint. Grab about 6 to 10 pieces and slap it before you put it in the shaker. Grab your muddle and muddle the ingredients in the shaker. It's alcohol time. Grab your rum and pour 2 ounces into the shaker. Add ice, close the lid, and give your drink a nice shake. Now pour your drink into a highball glass. Let's open our ginger beer bottle and pour 4 ounces of ginger beer. Stir your drink. Last step is to add garnish. And there you go, my friends. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.